Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to find your XM MetaTrader 5 account login details. This is important if you need to access your trading account, receipt, consent credentials, or log in from a new device. Now, let's get started on your MetaTrader dashboard. To locate your login details, all we have to do is click the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left part of your dashboard. Once we click this, we can see your name, your demo account, or whichever account you prefer to choose. Now just click this option and here you will see all your details, your name, your server, your login usernames, and your password. Here, you can change the password if needed. You can also see your OTP and your trace. All the login details are visible in this section. You can update this information if you want by changing the passwords or your names. That's how we find your XM MetaTrader 5 account login details. With these simple steps, you can quickly access your account information whenever you need it.